Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got Grace and all the squishies. She's kind of protective over them and she's like, they're all mine. We've done, so here's Jay, not JJ, because this is my baby sister. She's a friend over and staying the night. She helps me with videos.
Kiss, kiss,
Do you want them to kiss Gracie?
kiss.
So she obviously likes to play with them, and we just figured since she's very cute and everything that she could play with some of our squishies.
Do you want to give the camera a kiss? Right there.
Camera kiss.
No, not the squishy. Right there, Grace. Give the camera a kiss.
So she's very cute.
There's a kiss. So for one kiss, one like. Please do the...
And if you get us up to 30 likes, we'll make more videos
With Grace.
her. Probably some slimes at the end. And if you get us up to 50, you can write in the comments what you would like us to do.
Here, will you hold this? So I'm going to do a challenge. Which one do you like better, Grace? This one or this one? Okay. Which one do you like better? This one or this one? Okay. Which one do you like better? This one or this one? Which one do you like better? This one or this one? Okay, which one do you like better? This one or this one? Which one? No, out of these two. Which one do you like better? This one or this one? So this one technically won on most of them.
It's like her kind of favorite.
These two are her favorite.
One.
Do you want them to kiss Gracie?
Make them kiss.
Oh, no. Make them kiss.
Yeah, so she's very cute. This video is probably going to be kind of short. I'm going to have JJ go pick a slime really quick, and she can play with it a little bit, and then our video
Grace
will
is
probably
like
be
kissing. Make
in.
them kiss the wall.
Okay,
Gracie, make them kiss the wall.
Okay, so JJ is going to go get a slime, and she's going to play with it for a little bit, and the video will probably be ending, but just get us up to 30 to 50 likes or more, please.
Right now, we've got this slime. It's our, like, really crunchy slime. Kind of hurts when you, like... I like this one for poking. Come here, Grace.
And Grace will be testing out. Grace, come here.
You want to play slime?
You want to play with slime? Grace, look at the
There you go.
squishies. Grace.
Squishy.
We got this really
She's just
cute
playing.
squishy,
Look,
poo
slime.
squishy. Grace, come here. Come here, Grace.
She's just playing with my friend's shoes.
Yes, she is playing with my shoes, as you can see.
Gracie, just put them down.
Grace, let's play with the slime. Look at the slime.
She's like, you.
Okay,
Here.
well, Gracie obviously does not want to play with the slime right now, so JJ will test it.
Oh, now you want to play with the slime? Okay.
Okay.
So this slime is just my regular, ordinary slime. This was a slime of the day in one of my previous videos.
Grace likes to be cute, and she likes to interrupt with little squishies.
So I've got this one. It's very crunchy. It's got a lot of beads. Really good for poking. Really good at poking slime, and I just really like it. I enjoy it. This isn't going to be a slime for the day. I'll go grab it. So the slime for the day is this blue slime.
It's kind of a galaxy, and it's when you stretch it, there's a little purple in it. I think myself, this is the slime of the day, and it's a really good slime. I made it myself, actually, and it's a very stretchy and good squishy slime, and I think it is one of my best.
So the baby has left, and the baby has left. So I think that this is going to be the end of our video. Goodbye, and have a nice day.